Good. Our next game is a game called Sound Effects. So if you're really concerned about coming up with words, this next one you don't have to worry about that. We're just looking for someone that can make some sounds.
There you got him.
All right. Come on up, Ashlyn. Okay, big one there, and I'll shorten this one a little bit. All right. So not being a stranger to the stage, glad to have you back. So, all right, what's a game called Sound Effects? What's going to happen? John and Chris are going to start a scene, and throughout the scene, they're going to be needing some sound effects, which you two will be providing for them. Okay? So, Ashlyn, if you will provide for Chris, and if you will provide for John. Okay? So, whenever John says something like this, I think it's going to rain. There you go. Perfect. All right. Good. Everybody set up there. So let's get a location for our actors. Where are they?
Baseball field.
We're at a baseball field. What is that relationship?
Life partners.
Coach and player. All right. Coach, player. If I wait long enough, someone will come up with one we can use. All right. Good. The other ones are good too. So, all right, so here we go. Coach and player on the baseball field. Go.
Young Billy. What's up, Coach? Young Billy.
Coach. Coach Ryan.
That's why I recruited you. Your enthusiasm
Thank you, Coach Ryan.
is incredible. I really appreciate your enthusiasm.
Yeah. Thank you, Coach Ryan.
All right. So you can hear the crowd roaring right now. Oh, okay. Well, that's more of a shrill roar. Listen, you can hear them doing the waves. Apparently, they're just waving. That's what they're doing. Usually, the wave has a lot more noise. Maybe
Get out of there!
All right, they're getting hungry.
Get the heck off the field!
All right. I think they're talking to you. He's okay. He's new. He's gonna be all right. All right.
Hey, little twerp!
All right.
Audience, they came to watch me play.
Put your arms down, they stink.
You're right, audience. I'm sorry.
He's actually right. All right. So what we're gonna need here, you can get up here on the plate. It's gonna be an unusual league where I'm actually able to come out here in the diamond with you.
Thank you, Coach Ryan. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Coach, sometimes when I get to work with you like this, it reminds me of the spring day.
Get the twerp off the field!
Back to work, all right?
Spring day.
That's telling you what to do.
Okay, Coach Ryan.
Yeah, all right. We'll talk about spring days later.
What spring day did you have, Coach?
Come on, hit the ball!
All right, so he's going to throw that ball. Wow, that was fast.
Faster than the speed of sound.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, I'm ready.
He's about to
I'm
pitch
excited
again.
to pitch.
This time you're going to swing, all right?
Come on.
Here it comes. All right, your catch. All right.
All right, I'm ready for you this one, Mr. Pitcher.
What I'm going to do is I got this whistle, so I'm going to distract the pitcher right as he's about to throw it. Ready? That's a good idea. All right. Hold on.
That's strike two, I believe, Coach Ryan.
Oh, I got the dog whistle. I'm sorry. All right, here we go.
What's up, Coach Ryan? That wasn't there.
Get over to the plate! I'm getting ready to throw this ball at you again.
Must have got some dirt in this when I sent it to home base the other day.
Coach Ryan, these rules are
Hey!
Hey, don't throw that.
Maybe the wall.
Stand up and get ready, you jerk! Who asked you? Put that whistle down!
Don't always tell them to run around the
Who are you anyway?
It's one of those self-whistling whistles. Coach, I am exhausted.
Come on, let's play the game now. What are you doing?
When you hear that song about popcorn and peanuts, don't they sing that in the 7th grade?
There's a rabbit cat on your head.